bag of habaneros. So as a thank you, because I made a YouTube video. What's up? Beau here, and welcome back to another episode of Taco and Tequila. Today we're in Mérida. I met Martin at the hostel. Hi. And he said that we should name this series. We're gonna honor this episode and call it Tacolandia? Tacolandia. Yeah. Tacolandia, the best tacos in the world. Hey Martin, so what are we going to eat today?
We're gonna eat cochinita and relleno negro.
Okay, so we're gonna have cochinita and relleno negro, and we will explain it shortly what those two are. But first, we got to get on the bus and we got to get to the market. We just made it to the market. Better put my mask back on. We just made it to the market, and we're gonna walk around to Martin's favorite spot, or the place he ate yesterday that he said it was so good.
Oh, gracias.
That one's yours, I think.
Yeah. It's
Okay, perfect. We got our food. I got a taco cochinita and a tostada cochinita and a horchata. First, we're gonna try the horchata. Very, 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 very good. So it's like rice milk and cinnamon. And this, the one is actually quite a bit sweeter than the ones I was having in Valladolid. But I would give this one probably an 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty damn good. Now let's try the tostada. Like that meat is like all of them are good. Like it is extremely good. You can taste the onion. It's almost like pulled pork, but better. If that makes sense. I would give that one probably I'm gonna go with a 9. I'm probably gonna add a little bit of spice to it, but not a lot because everything here is habanero. The only thing I would like a little better on that sandwich is those pickled onions. Pickled onions are my absolute favorite. If it's pickled onions, it puts it on top. Now let's try the taco cochinita. Wow. That one, I am going to give it a 8.7. It's very, very greasy. I love the grease. I know some people wouldn't, but I mean it's pretty awesome. So I will tell you the place shortly. They actually don't even have a sign. So it's just, what is this place called? Bacaros San Florito. So these are the absolute nicest people. Definitely follow them on their Facebook page. I will link them in the video. But so how this works is this is cochinita. It's basically pulled pork on steroids. Like it's really, really, really good. So what they'll do is they'll actually build a fire, or they'll dig a hole, build a fire, and then they'll cover the meat in this kind of like rub. And it's just like here's the actual seasoning. They'll grind this up, make it into a paste, and then rub it on the outside of the pork. And then they will actually wrap the pork in banana leaves, put it in the hole on top of the fire, and then cover it up with dirt for 12 hours, and then dig it up. And then what you get is basically pulled pork, but it's a whole lot more moist. And it's just like, it's almost like mashed potatoes, but it's still stringy. It's like so moist you don't even have to hardly chew it. It is incredible. So if you're ever in this area, go find the cochinita. Martin actually bought like 2 bags to take home to his family. Like it's that unique, it's that awesome. Go have the cochinita tostada like I did, or the cochinita tacos. They are incredible. I would give this place a solid 8.8, and these people are just the nicest. that's it for this episode of Tacos and Tequila. I'll see you next time. Beau out. So they saw Catherine sweating, which is like a little bit she put on. Me sweating with a little bit I put on. So they decided to give me a gift, a bag of habaneros. So as a thank you, because I made a YouTube video, and I think maybe they like me, but they gave me a bag of, or maybe they really, really don't like me. That's why they gave me the habaneros.